Welcome, guys. This is Trust Okafor, and on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make use of Wombat token or Wombat application on your mobile. So, if you are on mobile or you're a mobile user, you want to make use of Wombat, go over to the Play Store and you search for Wombat. And guys, make sure you get the real application. It has this logo. This is the Wombat logo. I didn't even know they have an update. This is the Wombat logo, and you can see this is my name. I gave them a review. So you can go ahead and update the application. But if you want to download or sign up with this program making use of my referral link, it will really be appreciated. So I'm going to leave the link on this video so that you go ahead and download it. But you can also make use of the web version. If you want to make use of the web version, go over to your device and then you type in Wombat app, right? Now, this is what you're going to see on the Wombat app, but this is actually the mobile area. But then the mobile have different version. You can click this area to join, but when you join in, you can start making use of Wombat, but then you can't make use of this. You have to actually download the mobile application or you visit the web version. If you want to visit the web version, it's quite different from this. I'm going to share that on a different video. So when you have Wombat and you are ready to get started, go over to the Wombat application and click on the Wombat application. You need to actually log in with your PIN or you log in with your you log in making use of your thumbprint because I actually have my thumbprint enabled. Now, I'm going to explain Wombat in depth. So if you are new to Wombat or if you have been making use of Wombat wrongly, this is actually what you need to do and this is how you need to continue using Wombat. So if you are on Wombat application, it's going to display different options. This Wombat bucket is actually where you get Wombat Palace is actually where you see the rewards you get for playing game, which is called One Bucket. Then this Dungeon Master is actually where you mine with a Wombat NFT that you earn while playing game also. And then Wombat staking is actually where you stake your Wombat token so that it's going to generate you more Wombat token. The NFT gallery is where you go to see the NFT that you have gotten from playing games on Wombat with Wombat though. Then if you swipe left, you're going to see Wombat World. This dungeon world is actually where you get to purchase other Wombat NFT so that you can use it to mine or maybe you can resell it later when the price is higher. And then Wombat Market is quite similar to the Wombat World. But the Wombat Market consist of both NFT, wax, and other things. You can buy, you can sell on the Wombat market. And then swap office is actually where you swap different token to another token. And the Discord server is actually where you go to interact with other people that are making use of Wombat with the Discord application or website, whichever one you use. Now, this what is showing here is actually a game I played. So whenever you get a game, download a game, and you play a game, it always gives you a reward based on what was required. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, you can notice there are multiple games right here. There are different games you can download and play. When you play each game, on each game, it's going to tell you what you have inside. Like, for instance, this domino has NFT and it also rewards you with token, with Wombat token where you play the game. The same thing with every game right here. They all have token inside, but some of them do not have NFT. They only have token. So when you play it, it rewards you with token. Anyone that has NFT displays NFT inside. And anyone that has NFT also has a token inside. Now let me click on one of the game. Now this is what you are going to find inside of this game. These are all you are going to find there. And also, apart from getting all of this NFT, you also get rewarded with this Wombat token. All of this Wombat token, you get rewarded with this when you play this game. So actually getting all of those rewards is actually out of the fact that I played the game. Now let me close that out. So currently And apart from that, every day when you log into the app, you actually get a reward. Every 24 hours, you can see daily task right here. Whenever you come over to this daily task, click on claim, and it's going to claim you a token. Just pay attention to this top area where it displays this token right here. You notice this token is 70,985, right? Now, notice what happens whenever I claim a token. Now, this is 500, right? And I click on claim. You notice it's updated to 71,000. So every day you come in and you claim all of these token, and you get rewarded with the token equivalent of that token you actually got rewarded with. And then that is that. So after that, guys, whenever you play a game and you get rewarded, you have to actually wait 7 days to claim your reward. If you do not want to wait 7 days to claim your reward, you want to claim it instantly, you can go ahead and upgrade your NFT. So to claim my reward, all I need to do is to click on claim. Now, once you click on claim, it displays this and says, congratulations, your reward for completing the request. Click on continue and it's going to be continued. And you notice it says done, right? Now, if you click on it, there are even more tasks that you actually need to complete in order for you to get other rewards. You can see there are more rewards right there. And you can see what I got was this Panther, I think. So, play the game, reach the requirements for those reward, and you get rewarded. And apart from seeing all the requirements here, you can, anytime you download the game, always check your email. You are going to see that an email has been sent to you every time you download an NFT game. Let me check my so that you get it. So I'm going to just quickly search for Wombat. Okay, I didn't get any recent message from Wombat, right? What is the name of the game? Train. I think it's Train. Okay, I also did not get any message. Probably because the message has been deleted because I delete my messages frequently. So I have probably deleted the message that is relating to that. But anytime you download a game from Wombat, you always receive a message that you have downloaded a game and you can claim. It's going to show you the amount of reward that you are required to reach in order for you to get those reward. And I think I've deleted that particular message. So you can always check there to claim your reward. And then for for the new SPs when you are using the app, on this SP area, you get rewarded for every game you play. You notice I've played 14 games. I have claimed 3,000 one bucket, and I've also had an NFT. These are actually where it's displayed. So that is that for Wombat NFT and the Wombat homepage. Now let's come over to earning with Wombat. Now, if you want to earn on Wombat, you earn by playing game. You notice this reward I have, this one bucket, right? You can convert this one bucket into a crypto token. Now, to convert it to a crypto token, you need to go to One Bucket Palace. Now, on One Bucket Palace, you notice right there, it says join the weekly cash out to earn up to 1.75 with 1.75 dollar equal to 2.4 EUS. Guys, do not actually mind that. This is actually a lie. If you stake 1,000 one bucket, you are not going to actually get that. But don't worry, you are going to get something anyway. I'm going to explain that in depth. So if you want to join, all you need to do is to click on join and then you put the amount you want to join with. And I always like to put everything inside. So I'm going to put everything, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm going to do that on later on. So when you put, okay, let me just put 1,000 so that you guys will understand. But it's actually a list to me because 1,000 means nothing. So if you put 1,000, this is actually what you are going to get after 4 days. You notice right there it says weekly cash out 4 days 2 hours. Once this time reach zero, the cash out is going to automatically go into your account. But guys, this is actually not what I'm going to get. Now the reason is this: the amount of people that join to get this cash out is actually what is going to depend on how much reward you are getting. So the reward is usually going to be lower than what you are seeing right here, especially when it's on 4 days. You can get a closer look at what reward you are getting when it's just a day. So do not pay attention to that. and that is that. So you can also convert 5,000 NFT to a gold loot box. Now, what do you get when you convert 50,000 one bucket to a gold loot box? Now, 65% chance is that you are going to get an NFT, 15% chance is that you are going to get EOS, and then 20% chances you are going to get 50,000 to 250,000 one bucket. And guys, I can tell you, I have never gotten a one bucket, I have never gotten an EOS, but I always get an NFT for this. And I've done this like 5 times and I no longer want to do it because the NFT I get is really not much and the reward for that particular NFT is very low. So I really don't enjoy giving it out. And then for the Prime, to make use of Prime, you actually need to subscribe for a monthly battle pass. I'm going to call that a battle pass. That's if you are going to look it in terms of game format. So if you pay 3,000 naira equivalent of Prime, you are going to be getting rewards instantly, and you are going to be able to actually put 10,000 to claim. But guys, if you are not able to play games and get up to 10,000 before you be able to claim a prime loot, it's actually going to be terminated, and that is it for you. So I do not advise you guys to actually make use of this because it still consists on you spending more. And this is actually what I'm going to put in. I'm actually in Nigeria, so the money equivalent is displaying in Naira. So if you want to enjoy this game, first start it without putting in some money. Then after you have seen how rewarding it is, you can go ahead and put in some money. But guys, I'm actually going to tell you, I have been able to cash out with this. So if you are ready to invest and you have the cash to invest, go ahead and do that. And you are always going to get your reward. But the only thing is, when you don't have enough one bucket, please do not purchase the Prime. I'm going to explain that on a different video. Now, after you have done all of that, and probably you have a wallet, you have a crypto token, where you need to go is to go to your wallet. Now, from the wallet, you are going to be able to see all of the money you have on your wallet and everything you have so far and the total money you have. But for some reason, this is actually taking time to load. I think it's actually have to do with, okay, it has displayed. It has displayed and I really have nothing. So this is all I have on my EOS. But do not actually pay attention to this because I've actually withdrawn several times from this. Now, the reason why you see all of that, all of this right here is because also is very small. So the reason why is because I have been withdrawing from this platform. So that's the reason why you see something this small. And let's not talk about that. I don't want to talk about it. So I always withdraw to, you can see I have withdrawn $1.30 to Binance, and I really don't remember withdrawing 0.001. I seriously don't remember withdrawing. But I know I've withdrawn this 0 point, let's say 28 cents, and I've withdrawn $1, and I've also withdrawn, total money I've withdrawn from this platform has been up to $5. So I have been using the platform for, let's say, 6 months, but I am not that consistent playing game all the time. But if you are the type of person that like to play game a lot on your mobile phone, you'll be able to enjoy this and you're going to be earning a lot of reward from it. I'm only making this video in order to show you guys that this actually works because I do not like making video and not showing anybody. And if you want to know how to withdraw in this, I'm going to make that on a different video. And also, you can also swap this token to a different token that you want. But guys, you will not be able to swap to just about any token. There are actually limits. So let's say I want to swap this token to USDT. You can either find USDT through scrolling or you can just type it here. And when you type the token and if it's available, you are going to see it. But most of the time, you might not see some token displayed. That is because that particular token is not available to be converted to EOS. But any token that you'll be able to convert to EOS, you are going to see a display. And guys, most likely, if you are trying to convert EOS to any token, I would suggest you should convert it to USDT. Because like you can see all of the token below the USDT are all the token that are less than the USDT equivalent in exchange. So it's best to convert it to USDT. Also, if you're on Matic, you can also see, I don't have any Matic anyway. So if you're on Matic, you can see there are other NFTs, but you will only see the one below it. But I will always advise you to convert to USDT. You see, USDT is always there. That is because that is the dollar equivalent of that particular token. So it's always advisable to convert any token you want to USDT. And there are several tokens right here. You can see all of them. Now, let me make another explanation, guys. Whenever you join this weekly cash out or weekly reward, just know that there is actually a payout option. Now, you have to click on your payout option and choose the token that you want. Now, there are multiple tokens right here. They are not all, they didn't put all token. They only put the token that they actually have support with. So EOS is the one I prefer because actually EOS have his wallet and also has his exchange. Now, if you are choosing PBTC, then it's going to be making use of EOS blockchain. And if you are using Matic, it uses Matic blockchain. But when you want to use Wombat, it also uses Matic blockchain. So it's either you use Matic or you use EOS. That is what I advise you guys to make use of. And guys, this video can go longer than this, and there is actually a lot you can do with Wombat, and I'm going to be explaining that on individual videos so that I'll be able to cover it properly. But then before I go, if you want to explore even more things that you can do with Wombat application, you can click on explore. From here, you can see other games that you can play. But all of these games, most of them are actually they're actually pay to earn games. So you need to actually pay to earn to play the game. But if you do not want to pay to play all of this game, you can just go ahead and stick on downloading games from Wombat supported games and play the Wombat supported games. And another information I want to share with you guys. Let me go ahead and show you. You see all of these games, these Domino Dreams. If you go to Android Play Store right now, you'll be going to be able to find this particular game. You are going to be able to find that game on Android Play Store. Now, this is Domino Dreams. Now, instead of installing this application um, from Play Store, you have to actually click on the link from this application, because if you download it from Play Store directly, you are not going to get all of this reward. But if you click here and you allow the link to load up and take you to Android Play Store, you can click on install from Android Play Store and it's actually allowed, and you're going to get all of your reward. But if you do not do that and then go to Play Store and download the game and play it, you're not going to get any reward from this platform. And then, guys, apart from this, we are also playing Daily Dungeon Master. With Daily Dungeon Master, you get monthly reward. Dungeon Master starts, and you notice the game is currently down. They are every month they run updates. So every month they finish the game, they have a break, and then they come back again. So after 3 days, the game is going to resume, and you start playing it. And the game is as easy as you come to the Dungeon Master, you select your NFT. Your NFT has different staking or different mining speed. You stake your NFT and then you click on mine. You can mine for 3 hours as long as you want, and 5 minutes, different time limit. And then every month you get the reward of your mining. From my EOS, this is actually the reward I'm getting from mining Wombat, but I didn't stake any NFT. So that is actually the reason why the reward is small. Now, let me go to my NFT area. You can see I claimed a reward a few minutes ago, and all of the reward I actually claimed are supposed to be displaying on my NFT area. So let's wait for that to load. All right, still loading. So this is my NFT, and you can see the EOS equivalent of my NFT. I have total of 3 NFT, and the dollar equivalent of this NFT is actually 0.06 EOS, which is not even up to $1. Do not worry, guys. I can always sell this whenever I want, and when I sell them and I put all my money together, I'll be able to get something reasonable. But if I do not want to sell them, I can always put them to use by making use of the mining application. So I can just, there are more than one, right? Why is it displaying just one? I have up to 3. That is Falcon. Okay, let me click. It says 3 NFT. estimated of, but it's just displaying one. I actually have three, but the reason why it's displaying it this way is I'm supposed to be able to swipe or click next, but I'm not able to do that. That's probably because it's actually the same NFT that I claimed three times. So it actually totaled everything in one, and you can see, and price in million is. So I can always sell this. This is actually the dollar equivalent, the EOS equivalent of that, and whenever I sell it, I get that. So guys, that is all for this video. If I keep going on, there are so many things you can do, but if I keep going on, I am actually going to get tired. And if you want to share this the EOS with people, just like I told you, you want to share the link with people, you can come to your profile area. Usually you just come to your profile area and then you click on invite right there. Either you invite with this, or you share the link, or you share your referral code with people so that if they, even though they download and try to sign up, they should sign up with your referral code. So whichever one you want, you can always do that. But if you click on this button, it can also show you an option for either you copy the link, you share it with your contact, or you share it on other social media. And guys, that is all I have for today's video, and I hope it's helpful. Just let me know if this video is helpful to you, or if you want more of this video, let me know in the comment section. I will see you on my next video. Peace.